In this video, which I had so much fun making, I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way to make your blankets and clothes smell good inside your drawers and cabinets, even after they've been washed and dried, because I highly doubt that you want to be that family that gives out stinky blankets when your family members come over and spend the night at your house. Hey everyone, this is Aurora with DawnDuskDesigns. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sure a lot of us have experienced where our towels, our bed sheets and blankets smell bad inside these type of drawers or cabinets. Well, a solution to that, in case this is something you've experienced, is to use dry sheets like these. These are my favorite because they smell so good. But basically what you do is you pull these out and stick them in between the items that you have in your cabinets, just like so. Let me know down in the comments below if you have done anything like this before, or if you've done something else that actually works. But I've tried this already for several months now, and it works so great. I love it. The beauty of this concept is that it also can be used in your dresser drawers, so that you can use it for any of your shirts, any of your undergarments, or anything of that nature. And if you love the smell of fresh, clean linen, then why not? I seriously wish they had a perfume that smelled like this. I would totally drench my whole body in it. But one thing I do want to point out is that the reason why our clothing can smell bad is because of mildew and bacteria. Oftentimes too, it has a lot to do with the type of material that your furniture is made out of. A lot of furniture pieces are not real wood, and I've noticed that when that is the case, is usually when your clothes do smell kind of funky and weird, even though you've washed them. Luckily for me, with this dresser, I don't have to worry about that because I did purchase this at a high-end furniture store, and this is all real wood. It's actually extremely heavy. But anyway, I want to go ahead and mention what today's Spanish word of the day is, which is hoja de secadora, which means dryer sheet. So please repeat after me, hoja de secadora. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and implement these tips in your life so you can smell like fresh linen anywhere that you go. Continue to follow the journey and learn some of the other design projects listed on my other social media platforms and website in the description box below.